Is your cloud bill giving you that special kind of heart-in-your-throat shock every month? Yeah, you're not alone. Welcome to the club. Right now, a whole lot of small and mid-sized businesses are wasting up to 40% of their cloud budget on stuff they aren't even using. So how do we fix this? Let's break it down in 5 steps. Step 1. Start by assessing the current IT setup. Cloud usage is reviewed and workloads are categorized into 2 groups. What should move to the cloud and what should stay on premises? Based on this, a hybrid cloud plan is created. The hybrid model is then implemented, and finally a value check is done to confirm that moving to the cloud adds real value. This way, you only pay for cloud where it actually helps, and data moves smoothly between both on-premises and cloud. Step 2. Data is refined before being sent to the cloud edge. Processing tools like AWS IoT Greengrass help filter data early. Filtering criteria are applied to remove unnecessary data. Only refined, relevant data is transmitted to the cloud. It reduces both storage and processing costs. Step 3. Once your data arrives in the cloud, it needs the right home. Put it in the wrong database, and you're proudly paying for expensive empty space. So choose the right cloud database. For structured data, like financial orders, use a cost-effective database like PostgreSQL. For flexible data like user profiles, a NoSQL database is probably cheaper and faster unless you enjoy overpaying. And for massive global apps that absolutely cannot go down, you bring in a distributed SQL database like Yugabyte. Picking the right database from the start saves you from excruciatingly costly problems down the line. Step 4. Optimize your live operations. There are 2 parts. First, you admit you have a problem and find a waste. Then you automate the savings. You use a tool like Kubecost to get a clear, itemized report of your spending. It shows you exactly which apps are costing the most. Then you use a platform like Spot.io to automatically scale your servers up and down with your actual traffic. This gives you the power to find problems and an automated robot to fix them 24/7, because let's face it, you need the sleep. In step 5, establish financial governance. This is how you lock in your savings for the long term by connecting your tech to your financial goals. Using a tool like CloudHealth, you set budgets for each department. You automate alerts, so your finance manager gets a notification before a project goes over budget. And you generate regular reports to track your spending and prove your savings. This makes your cloud spending predictable. No more surprise bills. By following these 5 steps, from building a smart hybrid strategy to strengthening financial governance, you're not just cutting costs, you're creating a cloud ecosystem where every dollar works intelligently and efficiently. At Justo Global, we specialize in helping SMBs optimize their cloud infrastructure, reduce waste, and maximize ROI. Ready to take control of your cloud costs? Book your free consultation with Justo Global today.